Alright, so let's get into this. Very straightforward. You came in here because you'd like to know how would you be able to replace a URL link with a URL title instead. So just like this. So say for example you paste this URL link and then when you hit enter and then you get this link instead of the title. So basically it's gonna have to hover over this link here. Let me show you. And then you'll get this pop-up option where you're gonna be selecting to replace the URL. Sometimes you get the word yes here, sometimes this one, the word chip. So I'm just gonna select that and then there it is. You get the title of the page instead of the URL link instead. So let me show you some other steps. Say for example this one. Okay, let's copy the link. Then let's put it here. Okay, so obviously it's just a link there. It doesn't look good, right? So let's hit enter and then let's hover our mouse, our cursor here, and then you'll have the option. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you have this, you're prompted to replace the URL link with the title instead. So I'll just say yes to that, and there it is. So basically, this prompt here would not work if your account is not signed in. So you want to sign in your account there. So you make sure that your account is signed in. You just sign in your account here, and then you're gonna be asked to provide the necessary permission after you sign in, and then after that, you should be able to have this ability on your computer. So that's about it.